Sivaye Nama Tiruchitrambalam. Welcome back to our special program for Agni Natchatram. In this series, we are also discussing about food varieties which can keep our body system cool. Today, we are going to talk about one of a very traditional recipe, which is a porridge recipe, which is called as a black gram dhall porridge. In order to prepare this, all we need is 1 cup of rice. Whichever rice you're familiar with, you're comfortable with, you can take that. I have taken a very traditional millet variety rice, which is called as samai. If you take 1 cup of rice, you have to have equal quantity of broken black gram dhall. Wash this in a vessel and along with this add a little bit of salt, few garlics and a little bit of fenugreek seeds and cumin seed. Remember to add at least 2 pinches of dried ginger powder. Cook this in a porridge style. Basically make it as soft as possible and then you can serve it. Before serving, all you have to do is add just 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to it. This is a nature's way of cooling our body system. It's a very, very traditional recipe which helps a lot in our regaining our body, especially for anemic patients. They provide this. Also for ladies, they give this extensively. But for now, we are discussing about this recipe only from cooling our body system. So yes, this is the recipe. I'll come back again with another recipe tomorrow. Until then, Sivaye Nama Tiruchitrambalam.